Good morning or good afternoon. My name is Alberto Rojo. This is my presentation for my course Word Data Management. I use SSIS, SSMS, and Power BI to make the presentation about the requirements of the coursework. So first, we're gonna minimize a little bit this screen, and then I start show you SSIS. And for SSIS, I use because we have to load 12 files, so I set in everything to read one file. In one file, I filter in the unknowns fields, the ones are null, and also I filter in the searching when my ID is the same for student loans. Then I replace in these two fields in expense area and expense type. Here we check if we don't have null rows, because I found that we have at the moment that we transfer, we loading, we have some rows empty. So if we don't have department, then I use no copy. That's why we use send the .null. Then once we set in everything for one file, and then we fit this data flow in the for each, this is gonna do it for all files in the same folder. Then we run in first time. Okay, here you can see how it's reading each file. Gonna take just a few seconds. All done. This is for the same part, the first part of the coursework. The second part, or the point 2, the task 2, I create the dim tables and the fact table. For that reason, I have to drop first the dim tables, as I have to test the routine several times. Then first I drop all the tables, the dim tables, the fact table, and then I create again here the dim tables and fact table, including the index we need it. And then after that part, we load the the dim table, sorry. We try and make a little bit smaller. So here we access the stage table, the ones we already load, and then we use one tool to multiply the exits. Then we create here 1, 2, 3, 4 dim tables. Then show a little more detail. For example, we have here we filter if the information in the field is null, we no copy. So that's why just come in the not null. We derive. Here I create month, year, and quarter for the date table. And here we select what fields we're gonna copy to the dim table. It's a similar process that we're doing with the other dim tables. And for the fact table, I just would like to show you. For the fact table, here we have one tool, one loop for each table that evaluate this coming with the information from each dim. So that's why this flow have to be after the dim tables. We can run it now. Yes. Here already the fact table has been done, and the dim tables as well.